Hi, and welcome to 'Twas the Night Before Christmas Casserole. Name that because you get to make this casserole the day before and then pop it in the oven Christmas morning. Now I have two, I would say medium-sized russet potatoes. You want at least 2 cups of potatoes, and I am going to dice them. Now I have my oven on 400 degrees. I'm going to toss these in some salt and a little avocado oil. And onto a sheet tray, 15-20 minutes in a 400-degree oven. So next we are going to brown a pound of pork sausage. When I look for pork sausage, I look for one like this. There's no MSG, no gluten, made from pork with absolutely no fillers and totally preservative-free, and no nitrates. That's always important. Pork, water, salt, sugar, spices. So look for a nice breakfast sausage. Now this is just a great casserole, not only because you get to make it the day before and then it's in the oven while you're opening presents, but it also starts your Christmas day off without all that sugar and calories. It's really nice. You're going to have a day filled with lots of food, lots of calories, and this is just a great way to start your day with protein. And each of these servings is like maybe 350 calories. While that is cooking, we can cut our vegetables. I've got a bunch of spinach and a red pepper, so obviously a little red and green going on, and also small onion. So I'm going to take my sausage out and just look how beautiful this is. There's no fat in here. So I'm going to do a tablespoon of butter and just a swirl of avocado oil in with that onion and red pepper. And I'm just going to give this maybe about 5 minutes. Give that a pinch of kosher salt. So I'm just going to chop those ends off, and just a rough chop here. My potatoes are out, so I'm going to set those over here to cool down. So I'm going to add my spinach. So this just takes a couple minutes. As soon as this is cooked, I'm going to put it in here to drain. All right, so next up we have 10 eggs we want to crack. Have a teaspoon of white pepper. Any good egg custard needs a little bit of nutmeg. So, maybe like 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of whole milk. So I'm going to take my mixer to this. You don't have to, you can do this by hand, it's just easier. Now I have a 9x13 and I have that buttered. My first layer is potato. On top of that, we're going to go with the sausage. And I'm just going to go through and break that up. Next, we're going in with our vegetables. About 1.5 cups of cheese, provolone, mozzarella. I'm going with white cheddar. And then we're just going to make sure we go back and forth and cover everything with this egg mixture. So now, of course, we don't have to wait till overnight. We can absolutely throw this in the oven right now. So I don't like foil touching my food, so I'm just going to do a piece of parchment paper and a towel. So we're pretending like it's the next day. It's really about 5 hours later, so it has set for a while. And then I've let it sit out at room temperature, and now I'm going in that 350-degree oven, 45. Isn't that beautiful? Let it sit 10 minutes before we cut into it. I hope that this gives you an idea of something easy to do on Christmas morning that you can do the day before and have a healthier start to your Christmas day. See you later. Bye.